Matcha For Men App. What is that? So this is men's safe dating app, kind of alternative to T app. So someone in fact built this app. It has 100 followers on Instagram. You can go and see here some. You can see some screenshots. So yeah, there was like this issue with T app. T app was breached, but the thing is, T app actually went viral. And yeah, it's quite a popular app these days, dating advice for women. So someone built the same concept just for the guys. At the moment, this is only website. A Matcha app is not on iOS, it's not on Google Play Store. So you can see here, it's T, this is just basically the idea, a T dating advice. And also there is some other app, someone built that. And that's just what it is. And then let's just open up. So I created an account in the Matcha app. And this is how it looks like. To create an account, you just need to enter your username and verify your face with AI scanner. You don't need to upload any ID documentation, anything. So it's just super easy. However, I cannot guarantee you that this is super safe app. Again, it's not yet on iOS App Store, it's not in Google Play Stores. There are a lot of scammy apps in this viral niche these days. So just do it with caution, create account with caution. I will just show you to see whether what it looks like. So seems this is just some kind of single developer built it just to get some virality. And this is how it looks like. You have some women profile, and then there are like green flags, and then there are red flags. And then you can just do that, and that's what it is. And then you have comments and about, anyone know her, and that's the idea. So then you can see, and then you can search by name, you can search by location. You can see some people, okay, this person has a lot of red flags. And then there is like, all right, you have reached your daily limit of 3 profile views, resets in 10 minutes, unlimited profile views, unlimited searches by name, and then you can see $5 per month. So that's basically the idea. And then you can just have it like that. So it's interesting monetization technique. And you can see profile view searches, delete an account. So someone built it literally, I think, in a few, like 30 minutes with vibe coding or something. And then, yeah, you can just add some profile or someone you want to discuss, create post, name, about, add location. Then there are enhanced content guidelines, and that's basically the idea. So that's the app, matchamobile.com. So that's just what you can try out. Unfortunately, there is no big user base in here. So as you can see, there are literally like 20 profiles here. So these kind of apps, they require, at least, hundreds profiles, at least in one city, probably to go viral. But this is, at the moment, it's really just kind of prototype. It's not that usable, and mostly in US. So, this is going viral on TikTok. So and Instagram, so their profile getting some views and getting some virality as well on TikTok, but they don't have iOS app, they don't have Google Play Store app. So this is just what it is. But yeah, that's just an overview of the app. So try it out, give it a look, and say what do you think. Is it the right idea? Is it a safe app or not?